Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can write code in WordPress, so let's get right into it. Now, there are several different ways of writing code. Some of them include plugins, and some of them include FTP clients. If you can gain access to your HTML files or your PHP files of your site, you can write code in there, and then you should be able to modify the source code of your site. Alternatively, of course, you can also use the code embed, which I will be using in this tutorial. So let me show you guys how that is done. Now, if you go into pages, you can just click whichever page you want to edit, or you can create a new page. Pretty much it doesn't matter, just go to whichever page you would like. And once you go into the editor here, you can add a code block. Now click on the plus to start adding blocks, and as you can see, the code block is one of the text blocks right over here. Drag it, drop it over here into your website, and as you can see, you can here write code. Usually it's, I'm pretty sure, in HTML. You can edit it as an HTML as well, and edit it like that if you so chose, or you can edit it visually by just writing the code here if you wanted to. Now you can also go into embeds, so let me just add an embed block. And if I added it here, you can then go ahead, click on it, and then edit it as an HTML as well. If you have any things to embed on your site, you can add the HTML here. You can also use the custom HTML right over here, and you can write your own HTML right in your pages. And then once you're done, you just need to click save. Now, alternatively, what you can also do is, if I go back to my dashboard, I can go over into appearance, and then go into the editor. And here you'll be able to see this page. Now, here you might find a code section or additional code section. It might be there, or it might be in the customize section. If you go into customize, it'll open up a page, and right under here you should see additional or custom CSS, which you can click on and then start writing your own CSS code. And that is basically all there is to it. Again, you can use whatever way you can to access your site's files and manually edit them, and you can also use several plugins on WordPress as well. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.